This is JR, the TexPat OTG on the go. Well, you might wonder why I'm not doing any videos since my journey to the gate, or Rhea's journey to the gate. It's been raining ever since. It's rained for like 3 or 4 days now, solid, all day long, and it's not a light rain either. It's a hard rain. Really keeping us inside. Some of the streets are flooded. Not too bad. You can still get a trike through, but it's not the easiest thing in the world. Rhea went out today in a trike with her family. They're going to pick up some groceries and things like that. It's a miserable day to be out, but we were pretty much out of everything because we haven't been able to leave the house for several days. So hopefully this rain will slow down and we can get out and shoot some good videos instead of the rained out video that this one is. This is JR, the TexPat OTG, wishing the rain would stop. It's just on and on and on.